Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering WAEC 2020 Chemistry Objective Past Question 43. Consider the reaction represented by the equation. So you have an equation here with trioxonitrate 5 of silver reacting with sodium chloride to give silver chloride and sodium trioxonitrate 5. Now, the steps that could be taken to obtain pure dry sample of silver chloride from the mixture includes A. Heating to saturation and drying, B. Filtering and evaporation to dryness, C. Filtering, washing and drying, D. Crystallizing and allowing to cool. So silver chloride, as the name implies, is basically the chloride of silver. Now, it is known for its low solubility in water. One of its physical properties, low solubility in water, and it decomposes on heating to silver and chlorine. That is its component. So these are important things to note when you are talking about the preparation or in order to obtain pure dry sample of this compound. Now, option A says heating to saturation and drying. Now, we said it decomposes on heating. So it's a salt that decomposes on heating, and it cannot be subjected to high or heating to saturation and drying, because that would decompose the salt, the silver salt. So heating to saturation and drying is not the answer to this question. Now, B, filtering and evaporation to dryness, is also not the answer, because you have evaporation to dryness, and evaporation to dryness will involve heating it to very high temperatures, and we have already said that it decomposes on heating, so you won't obtain a pure sample of it. So filtering and evaporation to dryness is not the answer. Now you have filtering, washing and drying. Now it has low solubility in water, so washing and drying may not be or cannot be seen as the best way to obtain a pure sample of it, pure and dry sample of it. However, crystallizing and allowing to cool is a very good way to obtain a pure and dry sample, as the salt, silver chloride, forms as a precipitate, or it crystallizes. So when you carry out crystallization and you allow it to cool, you have pure and dry samples of the silver chloride. So option D, crystallizing and allowing to cool, is the correct answer to this question. Thank you, and please subscribe to this channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.